I'll be showing you some of the paper handling and finishing options of the imageRUNNER Advanced 4500 series. I'll also be walking you through some of the exciting new finishing features that we're offering on these models. The imageRUNNER Advanced 4500 series comes standard with 3 paper sources and a paper capacity of up to 1,180 sheets. Cassettes 1 and 2 each hold a maximum of 550 sheets in paper sizes of up to legal and 11 by 17 respectively. Cassette 2 also supports envelopes with the optional envelope feeding attachment, and the multi-purpose tray holds up to 80 sheets and can be used for jobs that require special or one-off media types. One of 3 options can be attached to create the base of the unit: a cabinet, a cassette feeding unit, or the new high-capacity cassette feeding unit. While the cabinet does not add any additional paper capacity, it does provide a convenient space to store toner and/or paper. The cassette feeding unit adds 2 additional paper cassettes that hold a combined maximum of 1,100 sheets and support up to 11 by 17 paper. The high-capacity cassette feeding unit is a new option, designed for environments that are tight on space but run through a lot of paper. It holds up to 2,450 sheets of letter-sized paper that's loaded on both sides of the drawer. When the stack on the right is depleted, the stack on the left is automatically shifted and then fed. This allows for total support of up to 3,630 sheets within the existing footprint of the device, over 50% larger capacity than previous models. For additional paper capacity, a side paper deck, which holds up to 2,700 sheets, can be added. This brings the maximum paper capacity to 6,330 sheets. The imageRUNNER Advanced 4500 series supports an optional inner finisher that provides staple finishing of up to 50 sheets within the same footprint of the main unit. The inner finisher outputs to 2 trays for a combined capacity of up to 545 sheets. The inner finisher supports an optional inner 2 and 3 hole puncher. This can help save space by eliminating the need for an external finisher. With the imageRUNNER Advanced 4500 series, you can choose one of 2 optional external finishers: the Staple Finisher Y1 or the Booklet Finisher Y1. Both are capable of stapling up to 50 sheets, but the Booklet Finisher also supports saddle-stitched booklet printing. These optional finishers feature 2 trays and support an output capacity of up to 3,250 sheets. While the predecessor model had 2 moving trays, the imageRUNNER Advanced 4500 series external finishers have 1 moving tray and 1 stationary tray. This contributes to reduced noise levels. Unlike predecessor models that require a separate standalone hole punching unit, both imageRUNNER Advanced 4500 series external finishers support an optional internal hole puncher. This allows for smaller overall device footprint and decreases the width of the configuration by as much as 8.9 inches over previous models. Both Y1 finishers and the internal hole puncher are compatible with the imageRUNNER Advanced C5500 series for consistency within the lineup. All finishers come standard with staple-free stapling. You can bind the paper together with pressure rather than metal staples. This helps cut down on staple usage and is easier for users to separate their originals later on. When printing, you can select the staple-free setting from the finishing options within the driver. When copying, you can access this setting from where you select your preferred finishing options. While the UI screen indicates that the maximum number of pages is 5, which is the official spec for 17-pound bond paper, the official spec for the more commonly used 20-pound bond paper is actually 4 pages. Another benefit of staple-free stapling is that it makes for more efficient stacking. Here, we have side by side the same document, 4 pages, 50 sets. As you can see on the right, the staple-free sets take up less space than the traditional staple, shown on the left. All finishers also come standard with a convenience stapler, which we're calling Staple on Demand. Say you have a stapled set of originals you want to duplicate. Simply walk up to the device, remove the staple, and scan the original. After the copy is completed, you can easily restaple your original right at the device. You can either push the green button or wait the set amount of time for automatic stapling. The default is 3 seconds, but this can be adjusted from 1 to 5 seconds. The inner finisher supports stapling of up to 40 sheets, and the external finisher supports stapling up to 50 sheets. As you can see, The imageRUNNER Advanced 4500 series offers impressive paper handling and finishing options, with some really valuable new features compared to the predecessor models. Be sure to view the other videos to learn more about the value-added features of the imageRUNNER Advanced product line.